All right, so we went to garage sales over this weekend, and I think we did pretty good. We got a good score here. Yeah. Well, where should we start? I want to start with these were yesterday. What we paid? We got 10 of them for $8.
And they're the storybooks with the records.
And what would you find out? Like this one's worth?
They're all worth around at least $10 a piece.
Yeah.
Some a little less, some a little more.
Yeah. We'll have to try them out today at Grandma's house with the record player for Charlie Sue.
Yeah.
And then we got this guy this morning. It was just a $5 pickup.
Little plug and play.
Yeah, plug and play Star Wars thing. Don't know if it's any good or if it even works. So, and then the bulk of this we got that from another guy today. Hand painted's cool. Had nothing to do with nothing, but I liked it, so we got it. And then the rest of this,
we spent $40.
all of this, we'll go over it all these games, even those CDs, Blu-rays, all for $40. Now, this artwork, this is all intended for our game room that we're building a new studio. We're actually moving my mom in, so we're adding an addition on the house, and we're condensing our families. And the upstairs is going to have a nice big room for us to make a studio for the games and all other stuff. So why don't you go over what we got?
So this 5200 stuff is awesome. But what's so sad is we found out that the day before today, he sold a what was it? 5200
console, 8 games, trackball, all the controllers.
So he sold that all for $40.
Yeah.
So
we were there yesterday.
This is what he found after
this morning.
Yeah. So this is awesome. No.
We're making a video, damn it.
But we got some awesome.
Mom's going in the shower, just so you all know.
We got some awesome complete box 5200 stuff. I've never seen this type of stuff at a garage. So we got some loose games. It's just awesome.
They're crispy.
Yeah, they're not like in horrible condition. Like most Atari stuff you find, they're like destroyed. Then we just got some random DS stuff. This is missing one of the discs. Yeah. But then we also got these awesome
cover artwork.
Yeah.
The frames are harder to find than anything else.
Yeah.
But this is all for the game room.
Spent $5 a piece on these.
$5. I paid $12 for all 3.
Yep.
And then I paid $1 a piece for those.
Yeah.
And then all the rest of the video games are $25.
So $25 for
and the DVDs.
And the 2 Blu-rays.
Or Blu-rays. Yeah. So that's pretty good haul. So what all together? It was 40 at the one place. 15 for that, which I overpaid,
yeah,
but
55,
it's cool. 5 for 60, that. 60.
$68.
$68. That's pretty awesome. We got a lot of artwork for the game room. I'm gonna put that in the game room too, just because this will go with our record.
This
player.
Is awesome.
We got a vintage record
we got
player.
it. Well, it's not vintage, but we got a record player. It has
vintage
style. It has CD and cassette players in it too.
Style.
But we're gonna definitely test out some of these.
Yeah.
Cool.
So a lot of this will get packed up until then, but yeah, we did pretty good today. I think we did real good. I mean, like, look at this box art. That's insane.
I love it.
That's absolutely insane. You know, that's just nuts. Joust. I had the 5200 as a kid, so this is awesome. I had these games actually.
And Miss Pac-Man, so awesome.
This is just as good as the arcade. This was the arcade game. You know, there's no
Miss Pac-Man, the real Woman of the Year.
Yeah, true story. True story. It's a good one too.
Good. Yeah, Miss Pac-Man. Miss Pac-Man's better than it. And then
I had Kangaroo.
Pengu.
I didn't have Pengu.
Quicks.
This is like Breakout, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it's
Rollerball. Same with this is Rollerball. Soccer's just whatever.
But it's complete box.
Yep. So and then these ones real quick. It's a Small World.
That's missing the book though. It only has the
record.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Robin Hood, my favorite Disney movie.
Cinderella, Peter Pan, Dumbo, Lady and the Tramp, Sleeping Beauty, Mary Poppins, and Mother Goose. So all in all, we did good. Real good. Like and subscribe. I'll see you when I see ya.